Start.
Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short practical video, I will guide you for some common big mistakes in the construction of RCC column, and also they did some mistakes in brick masonry. So let me show you practically. Let's get started, guys. If you see, guys, here the column size is 9 by 12 inches. Okay, you can see the width is 12 inches and the other side is 9 inches because this is 9-inch thickness of the wall, so therefore the size is 9 by 12 inches. Inside this, guys, they already used 4 numbers of steel rods, which dia is about 10 millimeter, because this is not full gauge. You can see this is about 10 millimeter. As we discussed in many videos, that the dia of steel in RCC column should not be less than 12 millimeter, and used minimum 6 numbers of steel rods in the dimensions of 9 by 12 inches, because this is about 3-story residential building. Guys, you can see here, so the spacing of the ties, you can see they already did about 14 to 16 inches, guys, you can see clearly. And on the other side, this is about 11 inches. So used normally about 7 to 8 inches. That is perfect, especially for RCC column. So the ring size should not be less than 8 millimeter. They used here, guys, about 6 millimeter. You can see hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree, and the hooks length should not be less than 3 inches. Guys, you can see they didn't provide it on 135 degree. Guys, you can see, so this is, I think they did about 3 common big mistakes in the construction of this column. Now let me show you the other column, guys. You can see the other one, you can see clearly. So here they placed the spacing because the other tie is inside this concrete, which spacing is about 12 inches. As we discussed before, it should not be more than 7 to 8 inches normally, but they did about 1 feet, you can say, or 30 centimeter. Next, guys, you can see the same mistake they repeated here. That is other column and this is other column. Here, if you see, guys, the spacing between 2 columns is about 13 feet, you can see, and they used 4 numbers of steel rods, but the dia is minimum, which is 10 millimeter. So don't use 10 millimeter dia of steel rod instead of 12 millimeter. Okay, so 12 millimeter is okay. Next, one of the big mistake I'm showing you practically, guys, you can see this is the other column, which size is 9 by 12 inches. As we discussed in many videos, they don't run sanitary pipes inside RCC column. They already did, guys. You can see the diameter is about 3 inches, you can see, but the size is 9 by 12 inches. You can see the spacing is increased already about 12 inches. You can see same design. Look at here, guys, this is about 10 millimeter, and this is the tie is about 6 millimeter, guys, you can see clearly. And they used 4 numbers of steel rods. This is 3-story residential building, guys. You can see this is the other mistake. Next, guys, if you see on this side, guys, you can see about in all pipes, in all columns, they runs the RCC the PVC pipes. Okay, show the other columns also. Look at here, this is 3 inches, guys, you can see, but let me show you the other column, and that column size is about 9 by 12 inches, but they runs here the diameter of the pipe is about 6 inches. Let me show you that column also. That is specially for the plumbing, these pipes, guys, you can see. Look at here, this is 4-inch diameter, this one, same design, same column, size, etc., the steel reinforcement. Now let me show you the other one. Look at here, they runs about 6 inches diameter for this one. So, guys, these are some common mistakes in the construction of this residential building, which I've discussed in front of you. If you are working on construction site, so you should know about these technical terms which I've discussed in front of you. So if you follow these kind of construction work, so I think that is not good for your project. So maybe you will face a lot of problems in your construction. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.